Kubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Kublay pi baro. Hagi ni Islam bila yasgo. Sarkar kalau pendekam ya kita ki beliau lani company badlong kum kita ki consultant jongka hagi terak beper bat hagi jing pentreka mi ki project hagi ni kinti ngin warra pi ko kubor hagi bede begini consultant namar ila yo de juba hapo baying dorbar thawan bala ai du menteri rangba konrad ki sangma halor ke jingkeli bala wanra du MLA ko umroi ba George Birindo Nagaliang ba George nakali nag sarkar kadungut kita ki consultant kala pendekam hagi ni gisnam kamtam du arja khapra adu mental abagi kenya gini ki consultant ki bagi yo katum gede ki juba bala ai haying dorbar thawan isham gidan adu shispa arpoi Tylli gide ki shispa arpoi kila bende ki rewshimat lali ki company repair gide ki rewshimat ki company ki bakhambun ki na shabar jong Jylla bat ki dan kat tu gade ngut ki badai na gade ke Jylla jogi hi kat kum gade ki juba tanap trekam ko sarkar de ki department ki bala pendem kam ki consultant ki longum ne soil and water conservation tourism public works standard department public works roads and bridges department public works national highway department power department agriculture and farmers welfare department arts and culture department Transport Department, Urban Affairs Department, Printing and Stationery Department, Health and Family Welfare Department, Home Police Department, Public Works Buildings Department, Community and Rural Development Department, Forest and Environment Department, Forest and Environment Department, Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board, Education Department, Sports and Youth Affairs Department, Badka Meghalaya Basin Development Authority. Jadi siapa ini consultant, kapher nak kawai katanat, cakawai pat, don ki popai, lagi Klur Tyngka, don ki popai, lagi Pynlut Tyngka, but hagawai ke department, kata ke PWD Standards Department, ki don arbot ki consultant, ki beri ki riushimat, hagaba ke jingsiu, syaki kalong kumba, khanar hajar Tyngka, hagashisngi. Yang ini ki arbot na tubu berpendek kam shwa na bentasau benai bat igabala ru berpenjalan adu shisnam bodo bo baiting kai gini consultant katkum ku juba balai ku konrat sama jing baiting kai gini kalong lingba ke sarkar Jylla lingba ke Meghalaya Integrated Transport Project bala baiting kai ke World Bank MGNREGA NRLM Ministry of Roads Transport Ministry of Roads, Transport and Highways, Government of India, Ministry of Tribal Affairs, Government of India, but kiwe. Merai khambun, Pynlut insep kawan hi naga sarkar Jylla.